Hey guys, it's Jessica and I'm here to give you my take on a smudged cat eye. We're gonna get the eyeshadow palette. In the 60s, those like really sexy femme fatales always had this smudged cat eye. This is a great base color to just neutralize whatever's happening on your lid. You can go right into the corners, and this is great on everyone. And depending on how opaque you want it, you can go in a little bit heavier or lighter. And the key to, I think, every eye look and wearing eyeshadow at all is blending. Girl, you just gotta know how to blend. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and go into the lash line. So I always pull like that and create this like angled cat eye with brown color. It just makes like a softer cat eye. I think more traditionally you would use black, but there's something nice about using brown. And for some reason I feel like when you do this angle, when I pull on my eye, it helps me get a better angle. Now I never have two eyes that are the same, like you can see here. So you just have to define it and refine it as you go. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Now get the makeup remover wipe and just sweep it away. Whatever excess you don't want. On top of where that line is, go in with this color here and sweep it across the lid. And again, I'm pulling the eye again so I can get that same angle. You can do this as dark or as light as you want. So then I'm gonna go in with this mauve color. Now don't be scared of mauve. Mauve is actually kind of a neutral. And I'm just gonna blend it so it's not such a big difference between the base color that I laid down and this. Just kind of softens the lines. And then go in underneath in the lash line, again, with this darker color. And you could even pick up this really pretty, it's like an alternative to black. It's like this purple, red, and black and brown undertones. And it's so nice on every skin color. And I bring these two together. And I don't take it all the way to the end. You can. I like to go about midway up. This is really not that hard. It looks scary, but at the end of the day, all you have to do is take it off if you smudged a little bit too much with the makeup remover wipe. Super easy.